In this video, we're going to log in to Laybase as a customer and explore the personalized buyer dashboard. So to log in, we go from the public portal, sign in the top right using email and password. And the first thing we see is the buyer's personalized dashboard. So we can see up the top, we have a welcome message to the buyer themselves, Seymour. We can see that it's automatically selected release 4, the release that this buyer has purchased in. And next to the release, we can see that they've purchased plot 5. Similar to the public portal, we have the same completion graph with the same information that we saw before. We can see the release is expected to complete in 2022, and this was last updated 18 hours ago. In the center column, we can see the phase that is currently in progress. So this is the detailed design approval phase. We have the custom image, we have the title and the information about that particular phase displayed for the buyer. On the right-hand side, we have the buyer's to-do list. We'll go into more detail on this shortly. But this screen is at a glance everything they need to know with what's going on with their current build. If we take a look at the Progress tab, it's similar to what we saw in the public portal. We have all of the phases that are required to be completed. We have the status next to them. We can scroll down through and look and see exactly where everything is at. The to-do list. This is a list created by the developer to outline all the tasks the buyer must complete prior to settlement. So these tasks, again, are completely customizable. You can have 1 task, you can have 10 tasks. They can be as detailed or brief as you like, and whatever works for you and your customers. The important part about the to-do list is it's all of the jobs we want our buyer to have sorted out and organized before settlement. So this is a really big benefit to developers because it helps buyers make sure they can settle on time. So we can see, as a buyer, I can tick off each task as it's completed, and then when I look to my dashboard, I can see that I have all of my tasks completed. We'll discuss the to-do list and reminders a bit further in the administrator video. The messages panel is where buyers can come and see all of the messages that the platform has delivered to them. These can be updates, these can be reminders, these can be notifications. You can see all of the messages that they've received here. We can see up the top we have one unread message. So if we click into that, and we can see that the buyer has been given an update saying that detailed design approval is now in progress. What we can also see here is the email preferences. So by default, all buyers will receive email updates as well as the messages within the Laybase platform. So to take a look at what one of those emails looks like, we can log in and see an unread email here. We can see the same details, but this means that buyers are getting their updates on their phone without having to log into the platform. They can always click the link and go straight back to read more details or look at the progress of the release. Now, as with the public portal, most buyers will be checking their build progress using their smartphones, so it's essential that this platform looks great on all devices. So let's have a quick look at what it looks like on a mobile. We can see here the same details, but laid out perfectly on a mobile screen. We have the same options of progress. We have the to-do list. And we have the messages panel. In the next video, we're going to log in as a Laybase administrator to see just how easy the platform is to set up and how quick and simple it is to keep customers up to date.